Imagine you're walking home after a normal day. Suddenly, you feel a crushing pain in your chest. Within seconds, something life-threatening begins deep inside your heart. But what is actually happening inside your body? Let's travel inside the heart to uncover the mystery. Your heart is a powerful pump. It beats about 100,000 times every day, sending oxygen-rich blood throughout your body. Like every muscle, the heart also needs its own blood supply. These small blood vessels are called coronary arteries. They deliver oxygen and nutrients to the heart muscle every second. Over many years, fatty deposits called plaque can slowly build up inside these arteries. Most people don't feel anything while this is happening. Then one day, the surface of the plaque suddenly tears. This tiny crack triggers a chain reaction that can change a life in minutes. Your body thinks the cracked plaque is an injury, so it immediately sends tiny blood cells called platelets to repair it. The platelets stick together and create a blood clot. Instead of helping, the clot begins blocking the artery. Within moments, the artery can become completely blocked. Oxygen-rich blood can no longer reach part of the heart. Imagine pinching a garden hose until no water comes through. That's exactly what happens here. Without oxygen, the heart muscle begins to struggle. Heart cells cannot survive for long without oxygen. Within minutes, some cells begin to die. The heart's electrical system can also be affected. This may cause dangerous, irregular heartbeats that can become life-threatening. This is why doctors say, time is muscle. The faster blood flow is restored, the more heart muscle can be saved. As the heart muscle loses oxygen, the first warning sign is often a heavy pressure or squeezing pain in the chest. The pain may spread to the left arm, shoulder, neck, jaw, or even the back. Some people describe it as an elephant sitting on their chest. The body releases stress hormones. You may begin sweating, feel sick to your stomach, become short of breath, or suddenly feel extremely weak. Every passing minute means more heart muscle is being damaged. That's why getting help quickly is so important. At the hospital, doctors quickly perform an ECG and blood tests to confirm whether a heart attack is happening. One of the fastest treatments is called angioplasty. A tiny balloon opens the blocked artery, and a small metal tube called a stent helps keep it open. Once blood flow is restored, healthy parts of the heart receive oxygen again. Fast treatment can limit permanent damage. The sooner treatment begins, the better the chance of saving heart muscle. Never ignore chest pain or wait for it to go away. The good news is that many heart attacks can be prevented with healthy lifestyle choices and regular medical checkups. Eating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein, while avoiding smoking and excessive processed foods, can greatly reduce your risk. Even 30 minutes of walking most days can strengthen your heart and improve blood circulation. Controlling blood pressure, diabetes, and cholesterol with regular checkups can prevent silent damage to your arteries. Your heart beats over 100,000 times every day without asking for anything in return. Take care of it. Learn the warning signs and never ignore chest pain. This is Med Mystery, where medicine meets mystery. Subscribe for more fascinating journeys inside the human body.